How to use Add-Yours template in Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon to create a story. Select a photo you want to share. Tap on the sticker icon at the top. From the option list, select Add-Yours templates. You can use single media or multiple media. I'm selecting single media. Tap on the dice to change the template format. When you are done, tap on arrow button at the bottom. Now tap on share. Your story has shared with your template. And that's it. This is how you can use Add-Yours template in Instagram.